All right, so we got a new mower. This is the V20 Craftsman 20-inch, and I got this for two reasons. Number one, because gas mowers are going to be outlawed in California in the next year and a half, or at least outlawed to sell. And number two, I think a 100% green option would be something good to be able to offer. So we're going to get it opened, get the batteries charged, test it out, see what we see. See what we see. We're definitely going to be running it in this video. I need to sharpen my knife. All right, in the box we have the grass chute. Put some of this stuff down here. We've got some fasteners. Cardboard. The grass catcher bag. And let's see here. These are probably going to be the chargers and batteries. It comes with 2 chargers and 2 batteries, I believe. All right. What's the best way to pick this up out of here? There it is. I like how light it is. That's for sure. I don't know if this knife is going to be able to cut these zip ties. I might have to get a... Yeah. I know I don't have very much battery left over there either. We'll get some assembly done. It looks like the fasteners that it came with are extras because yeah, this has all of them on it that I could tell. No, it doesn't. It's missing the ones on the top here to hold the handle on, so. Ow! Just pinched the crap out of my hand. All right, we're, for the most part, assembled. That was pretty quick, eh? So I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to get the batteries charged, see how long it takes, and we'll be back and do some cutting. All right, both batteries are charged. It only took a couple hours. Now we're gonna do the maiden voyage, if you will. I'm trying out this new chest strap. I had like a Chinese one. And this new one is an authentic GoPro one, so I think it'll work better. I think it'll work better, probably last longer. But here we go. Tell me how you like the view. I don't have enough room back here. Let's going to be interesting. A little intimidating at the same time. I've never ever run a electric mower. So let's put the batteries in. Let's see how it goes. I got the key in already. So you push this button and then you pull this down. Wow, it's quiet, really quiet. I've got it on the highest setting right now. I mean, it's cutting the grass. So I'm a little concerned that I was able to go through that dirt and dry weeds and stuff and it didn't blow anything up. I would think it should have. Let's see what kind of grass we caught. Very little. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research. Let's pull the safety key out so we can flip it up. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on this blade and how it works. Yeah. Anyway, for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. I have no complaints as of yet. I might get the, I might mow the back lawn shorter. I don't really like how high it is, but we'll see.